If Earth stopped raining for 1 year, many plants would gradually disappear in a short time. Photosynthesis would reduce by more than 70%, and the remaining oxygen would only support humans for another 100 years. If Earth stopped raining for 2 years, the food chain would start to collapse due to the disappearance of plants. Many herbivores and carnivores would also gradually become extinct, and human livestock farming would come to a halt. The prices of milk and meat would begin to soar. If Earth stopped raining for 3 years, usable water would become increasingly scarce, and the price of water would start to rise. A regular bottle of mineral water would become a rare luxury. If Earth stopped raining for 4 years, wells worldwide would be completely dry, and many rivers and lakes, including the Amazon River, would see their water reserves decrease by more than 80%. Without the driving force of water flow, hydropower plants would gradually stop working, directly affecting basic human life. If Earth stopped raining for 5 years, humans would finally realize the severity of the situation. Scientists from multiple countries would come together to devise a plan. People would begin to adopt new power generation equipment like wind and solar power to ensure normal societal operations and provide emergency irrigation for important vegetable fields to ensure enough food for survival. If Earth stopped raining for 6 years, 99% of plants would have disappeared, halting photosynthesis. As the concentration of carbon dioxide on Earth continued to increase, the resulting greenhouse effect would directly cause temperatures to rise. Glaciers in the Arctic and Antarctic would begin to melt, sea levels would rise significantly, and coastal lands would be submerged. The Earth's environment would start to deteriorate. To survive in the future, many countries would begin building underground shelters. If Earth stopped raining for 7 years, the remaining freshwater on Earth would be completely depleted. People would start extracting fresh water from seawater using distillation and electroosmosis, but under sunlight, seawater would completely evaporate in a few hundred years. If Earth stopped raining for 8 years, with continuous temperature rise and extremely dry air, the largest wildfires in human history would break out globally. Thick smoke would cover the sky, but by then, there would be no extra water to extinguish them. If Earth stopped raining for 9 years, without trees to block the wind, yellow sand would sweep across the land. Formerly prosperous cities would lose their original appearance, and 90% of Earth's land would turn into deserts. To survive, people would have to gradually move into the already built underground shelters. If Earth stopped raining for 10 years, carbon dioxide levels would reach a historical high, preventing solar radiation heat from dissipating into space. Over time, under the scorching sun, Earth would become a barren planet like Mars, filled with yellow sand. In just 10 years without rain, Earth would already look like this. It shows how crucial water resources are to humanity. However, as water resources become increasingly scarce today, humans are not cherishing them at all. According to a United Nations survey, at least 100 countries and regions worldwide lack drinking water, and 25 million people leave this world every year because they cannot access safe water. For our future generations, please use and cherish the dwindling water resources wisely. While an individual's power may seem insignificant, if we all work together, the future of Earth will surely be very bright.